Welcome back everyone. In today's session we are going to learn a new method of solving pair of linear equations, that is substitution method. In our previous sessions we have learned elimination method of solving equations. Hope you remember that. Elimination method. Now this is the second method, that is substitution method, which belongs to exercise 3.3. So let's see what is this substitution method. Nothing confusing, it will be very simple for the students those who have done elimination method. So here also two equations are given to us and he is asking you to solve these two equations by substitution method. Which method? Substitution method. So what do you mean by substitute? General meaning of substitute is to put somebody in place of other. What do you mean by substitute? To replace somebody with somebody else, or to put some value in some other place. Substitute. Okay, so basically in this method what we do, we will take any one of the given equations, either the first equation or the second. Okay, you can take any one equation, keep this in mind. From any one of the equation we will find x value. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So from equation 1 I am taking now. What is our equation 1? It is x plus y equals to 14. From equation 1 I'll take x value. So what happens from this? I named the equations as 1 and 2 here. From equation 1 I am taking now, I am taking x value. So what will be x value? X will be equal to 14 minus y. Okay, you can also take y is equal to y value also, that's not an issue. 14 minus x, this will also work. Okay, but you should take any one. Now I am not taking this one. Okay, this one I am not taking now, forget it. Okay, forget this part. So I am taking x is equal to whichever is suitable, whichever is easy, you can take that value. Okay, so I have taken x is in terms of y. I can say you have learned in 9th class, you should take x in terms of y, how to write x in terms of y. So x is equal to 14 minus y. From equation 1 I have taken, keep that also in your mind. So this value of x we will substitute in equation 2. If we are taking x value from equation 1, from equation 1 if I take x value, I should put that in equation 2, and vice versa. Means if I take from equation 2, then I should substitute in equation 1. This is very important point here. Okay, so x is equal to 14 minus y, I am going to put in equation number 2. So what is our equation number 2? Our equation number 2 is x minus y minus 4. This is our equation number 2. So I am going to put x value in equation 2. What happens? Where does it go? This value of x goes here. Okay, in place of x. That is the meaning of substitution. So let's see how to substitute now. Very simple. X minus y equals to 4. I have taken the equation number 2 here, and in place of x what I am writing? I am writing 14 minus y, because x is 14 minus y. So this will become 14 minus y minus y. Okay, 14 minus y minus y, because x is 14 minus y and this minus y is already there. Okay, so this 14 minus y is equals to 4. Then minus y and minus y, what will be minus y and minus y? It will be minus 2y. 14 minus 2y equals to 4. Then if I transpose 14 to the right, it becomes minus 14, and 4 minus 14 is minus 10, and if I cancel the minus negative signs, y value will be equal to 5. Okay, you can cancel negative and negative, and 2 5s is 10. So we got y value. This y value you can substitute in any one of the above equations. So better you can substitute in equation this one, where we framed x value in terms of y. You can name it as equation number 3 also, okay, for your convenience. Got it, everyone? So what we have done, we have taken equation 1 and we found x in terms of y. We substituted that in equation 2. Okay, now this y value you can substitute in equation number 3, or you can substitute in 1, 2 also. All of them gives you same answer. So let's substitute in 2 only without any confusion. Okay, so this value equation, this value of y I'll put in equation number 2, whatsoever equation number 2. You can substitute in any equation, keep this in mind. You can substitute in 1, you can substitute in 2, you can substitute in 3 also. That's your choice. So I am substituting in equation 2 and I'll get the value of x. X minus y equals to 4. What is our y value? Y is 5. So 5 plus 4 is how much? 9. So x is equal to 9. So therefore 9 comma 5, what? 9 comma 5 is the solution of these two equations. How will you verify your answer? You can substitute 9 comma 5 in any of the equations. So substitute 9 comma 5 here. What you will get? 9 plus 5, x plus y. 9 plus 5, 14. And here if you substitute 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. So this is a unique solution for this pair of linear equations. Okay, now another thing, why we are getting unique solution? Hope you remember, we can check the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2. So before we start any problem by solving by any method, we should check whether it has a unique solution or not. Okay, so you can check here, a1 by a2 will be 1 by 1 and b1 by b2 will be 1 by minus 1. So 1 is not equal to minus 1, so a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So that's why we are getting a unique solution in this. Okay, suppose if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, then we cannot solve by this method. We cannot use substitution method there. Okay, let's see another question. Now in this question also he is asking you to, this is the second bit of the same question, in which again two equations are given. You can say s minus t is equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So here also I am taking equation number 1, s minus t is equal to 3, and from there I am finding s is equal to 3 plus t. Okay, from equation 1 I have taken s value, so I got s is equal to 3 plus t. Okay, this value I will put in equation 2, because I have taken from equation 1, I have taken this value from equation 1, I'll put it in equation 2 in place of s, where I'll put this value in place of s. So let's see how to substitute the value. Substitute this in equation 2. This is our equation 2. In place of s, what I am putting in place of s now? You can clearly see here, in place of s I am putting 3 plus t. S by 3 is not there now. 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. We'll find the LCM of denominators, that will be 6, and cross multiply it. Okay, you should cross multiply this one and this one. So 3 is 2 multiplied by 3 plus t and 3t multiplied here. So cross multiplying and simplifying it further, so I'll get multiplied 3 2 times is 6, and 3 2t plus 3t, and goes on like this. 6 plus 5t by 6, this 6 cross multiplies here and it becomes 36. 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, and 5t is equal to 30. So t will be equal to 30 by 5, that will be 6. So this we got the value of t. Now this t value you can substitute in any of the equations. As I said you can substitute it in 1, you can substitute in 2, you can substitute in this one also, 3, you can name it as 3. Okay, so let's substitute in any one of those. I am substituting in equation in equation number 1. What is our equation number 1 here? You can see our equation number 1 was s minus t minus 3. So I am substituting this value here. Okay, this t value I am substituting. So s minus s is equal to 3 plus 6. 3 plus t, that is 3 plus 6. So what is 3 plus 6? S is equal to 9. So finally we have got s and t value as 9 comma 6. So this is a unique solution again. When you draw the graph of these two equations, these two lines will meet at 9 comma 6. These two lines will meet at 9 comma 6. Okay, and it has a unique solution because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Let's see one more bit here now. Now in this bit, this is a unique question now. In this you can check the ratio. A1 by a2 is 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3, yeah, and minus 1 by minus 3, that is also 1 by 3, and 3 by 9 again, this will also give you 1 by 3, this will also give you 1 by 3. So all of them will give you 1 by 3. So this type of equations, when in which a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, what do we say? They have infinite solutions. So if we try to solve these equations by substitution method, what happens? Let's see. We'll get struck. Solving equation 1, from equation 1 we are taking x value. Okay, from here again I am taking equation 1, 3x minus y is equals to 3, so 3x is equal to y plus 3, and x is equal to y plus 3 by 3. You may get x value in fractional form also. Okay, nothing happens. Substituting this value, where I have taken this x value from equation 1, so I got x is equal to y plus 3 by 3. Where should I substitute this? We should substitute in equation 2 because I am taking from 1. If you take from equation 1, you should substitute in 2. Again, remember it. Substituting this value in equation 2. So what happens? This is our equation number 2, and substituting the value, I have taken the value of x, so that becomes 9. X becomes 9 into y plus 3 by 3, and if I cancel this 3 times and simplifying it, I'll get 3y, 3 into y plus 3 minus 3y, and it's multiplied 3y plus 9 minus 3y, 3y minus 3y, you can cancel, eliminate them. So what happens here? 9 is equal to 9. So do you think this is a solution? Are we able to find any value? No, we are not able to find the value of any variable because this has infinite solutions. How many solutions it has? Infinite solutions. That is the reason we are not able to solve it by this method. So only if the ratio a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we should proceed with these methods, algebraic methods, that is elimination or substitution method. If the ratios are equal, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then we cannot proceed with these methods because we will get like these answers. Here we don't have any variable. Hope this is clear to you all. Like you have practiced elimination method, you need a lot of practice for substitution method also. Thank you.